Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talks Aura.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Yes, thank you for choosing to learn English.
If this is your first time here, welcome.
This channel is for English beginners.
We speak slowly.
We use easy words.
We help you feel comfortable speaking English.
Don't worry if English feels hard,
Learning English takes time.
and you are doing a great job.
My name is Sam.
And my name is Amy.
We are here to practice English with you,
Not to test you,
not to judge you.
only to help you.
Today's topic is very common,
Very useful.
very important for daily life.
Today we are talking about weekend plans.
Weekend plans.
Weekend plans mean what you do on Saturday and Sunday.
People often talk about weekend plans.
At work,
At school,
with friends.
people ask questions like,
What are your weekend plans?
do you have any plans this weekend?
What will you do on Saturday?
What will you do on Sunday?
If you don't know how to answer, that's okay.
We will practice together,
Step by step,
slowly.
with easy examples.
Let's explain two important words.
The first word is weekend.
Weekend means Saturday and Sunday.
Repeat with us. Weekend. Pause.
Good.
The second word is plans.
Plans mean things you want to do.
Things you will do in the future.
For example, I plan to relax.
I plan to watch a movie.
First natural conversation. Amy, can I ask you a question?
Yes, Sam.
What are your weekend plans?
Pause. Let me think. This weekend, I want to rest.
Rest. That sounds nice.
Sam, what does rest mean?
Good question. Rest means to stop working.
To relax your body.
And your mind.
Repeat after us. Rest. Pause.
Good.
Now it's your turn.
Say this sentence. My weekend plans are simple.
Pause.
Good. You are learning English right now.
And that is amazing.
In part 2, we will talk about Saturday plans,
Morning plans.
afternoon plans.
Evening plans.
Very natural.
Very easy.
Amy, let's talk about Saturday. What do you usually do on Saturday mornings?
On Saturday morning, I usually wake up late. Maybe at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.
Oh, that's nice. Sleeping late is a good way to relax.
Yes, I like it because I work a lot during the week.
I understand. On Saturday, I usually wake up around 8 a.m. I like to get up early.
Really? You wake up early on weekends?
Yes, I make a cup of coffee first. Coffee is my morning drink.
I like tea in the morning. I feel calm when I drink tea.
That's great. Do you eat breakfast after tea?
Yes, I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat cereal.
I like eggs too. I sometimes make pancakes on Saturday. It is a special breakfast.
Pancakes are delicious. Do you cook them yourself?
Yes, I mix the flour, milk, and eggs. Then I cook them on the stove.
Yum! I sometimes help my mother cook on Saturday mornings.
That's fun. Cooking is a good activity for the weekend.
Moment for morning routine. Sam, let's explain morning routine.
Good idea. A morning routine is the things you do every morning.
Like wake up, drink coffee, eat breakfast, brush teeth.
Yes, repeat after us. Morning routine.
Morning routine.
Good. You can say, my morning routine is simple.
After breakfast, I usually clean my room.
Clean your room? I like cleaning sometimes. It feels good after.
Yes, I sweep the floor, I make the bed, I put things in order.
That is a good habit. Clean rooms make you feel calm.
Exactly. Do you clean your house on Saturday?
Yes, sometimes. I clean the kitchen, I wash dishes, I organize my books.
It takes time, but it is important.
Yes, a clean home feels comfortable. After cleaning, I like to go outside.
Really? Where do you go?
I go to the park. Sometimes I walk. Sometimes I meet my friends.
Walking is healthy. I like walking too.
Do you go shopping on Saturdays?
Sometimes I buy food or small things for the house. Shopping can take 1 or 2 hours.
I understand. Some people like shopping, some people don't.
Yes, I like shopping for food, not clothes.
Me too. I like buying fresh fruits and vegetables.
After going outside, I usually have lunch.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
I eat something similar. I like sandwiches sometimes.
Yes, sandwiches are easy to make.
After lunch, I usually watch TV.
What do you watch?
I like comedy shows. They make me happy.
Me too. I like comedy movies on Saturday afternoon.
Laughing is a good way to relax.
Do you play sports on Saturday?
Sometimes, yes. I like playing football with friends.
I like walking or jogging. I don't play team sports.
That's okay. Any physical activity is good.
Yes, it keeps you healthy.
Do you tell your friends your plans?
Yes, I say, do you want to meet on Saturday?
Good. And if they say yes, you meet them.
Sometimes we go to a cafe. We drink coffee. We talk about life.
That is a nice way to spend a Saturday afternoon.
On Saturday evening, I like to rest.
What do you do to rest?
I read a book. I listen to music. Sometimes I watch a short movie.
I usually cook dinner. Then I watch TV or read a book.
What do you eat for dinner?
Simple food. Rice, vegetables, eggs, sometimes pasta.
I sometimes order food. It is easy.
Vocabulary tip for weekend activities. Let's learn some words for Saturday.
Relax, to rest. Walk, go outside slowly. Cook, make food. Clean, make tidy. Watch, see TV or movies.
Repeat with us. Relax, walk, cook, clean, watch.
Perfect. Now think about your Saturday.
Do you relax or work?
Do you go outside or stay home?
Try writing one sentence in your mind.
Sam, now let's talk about Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is usually calm and slow.
I agree. Saturday can be busy, but Sunday feels quiet.
What do you usually do on Sunday morning, Amy?
On Sunday, I wake up early, sometimes around 8 a.m.
Early? I thought Sunday is for sleeping.
Sometimes I sleep late, but I like early mornings. The house is quiet, the air is fresh.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I make tea first. I sit by the window. I enjoy a few quiet minutes.
That is a good way to start the day.
It helps me feel calm and ready for the day.
Moment for calm and quiet. Amy, let's explain calm.
Calm means quiet, not noisy.
And peaceful is similar. A calm day is a peaceful day.
Repeat with us. Calm, peaceful, quiet.
Good. You can say, my Sunday morning is calm. My Sunday is peaceful.
After breakfast, I usually have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I like toast, eggs, and fruit, sometimes cereal.
I eat simple food too. Sometimes pancakes if I have time.
After breakfast, I clean a little, maybe wash dishes or organize my room.
That is good. Small cleaning tasks help the house feel nice.
Yes, and it is not too tiring.
Yes, a clean home feels comfortable.
Do you spend time with your family on Sunday?
Yes, Sunday is family time.
What do you usually do together?
We have lunch together. Sometimes we play simple games, we talk and laugh.
That is nice. I do the same. I have lunch with my family. We watch TV or talk after lunch.
Talking is important. It helps people feel close.
Do you go outside on Sunday?
Sometimes, yes. I like walking in the park.
What do you do there?
I walk slowly. I look at trees and flowers. I breathe fresh air.
Fresh air is very healthy. It makes you feel good.
Yes, it helps me think clearly. Do you study on Sundays, Amy?
Sometimes I read a book or practice English.
That is good. I also read or study a little.
Not too much, just enough to keep learning.
Yes, short study time is better than long, tired study.
I agree.
Relaxing and entertainment. What do you do to relax in the afternoon?
I listen to music. Sometimes I watch TV or a short movie.
I like music too. I also sometimes draw or do a puzzle.
That is nice. Relaxing activities are important.
Yes, Sunday is for the mind and body.
In the evening, I prepare dinner.
Do you cook every Sunday?
Sometimes I cook simple food. Rice, vegetables, eggs.
I cook too, or sometimes my parents cook.
After dinner, I usually rest, watch TV, or talk with family.
I also read a book or listen to music.
Then we get ready for bedtime.
Vocabulary tip. Sunday words.
Let's learn some words for Sunday. Calm, quiet, peaceful, family time, time with family, relax, rest, walk, go outside slowly, study, learn something.
Repeat with us. Calm, family time, relax, walk, study.
Good. You can say, I relax on Sunday. I spend time with my family on Sunday.
Question for the viewer. Now think about your Sunday.
Do you go outside?
Do you rest or study?
Do you spend time with your family?
Try saying one simple sentence in your mind.
Amy, we talked about Saturday and Sunday routines, but weekends can be more than just rest and meals.
Yes, Sam. Sometimes people have hobbies or special activities.
Let's talk about hobbies. Amy, do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like painting. I paint small pictures on Saturday or Sunday.
Oh, that is nice. What kind of paintings?
Simple things. Flowers, trees, and sometimes animals.
I like that. I sometimes draw, but mostly I like photography.
Photography is fun. You take pictures outside?
Yes, in the park or in the city. Sometimes friends join me.
Hobbies are a great way to enjoy free time.
Vocabulary tip. Hobbies. Let's explain the word hobby.
A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time. Repeat after us. Hobby.
Hobby.
Example. My hobby is painting. My hobby is playing football.
Yes, a hobby is not work. It is for fun.
Music and entertainment. Amy, do you listen to music on the weekend?
Yes, all the time. I listen while cooking, cleaning, or relaxing.
Good. I also like music. Sometimes I dance a little at home.
Dancing is fun. Even small movements make you happy.
Yes. Music and dance help me feel relaxed.
Do you watch movies on the weekend?
Yes. I like comedy or adventure movies. Sometimes I watch with friends or family.
I like romantic comedies. They are funny and make me smile.
Physical activities. Amy, physical activities are good for weekends.
Yes, I like jogging in the park. Sometimes I ride a bicycle.
I play football with my friends. Sometimes basketball.
Even walking is good. Just 30 minutes in fresh air is healthy.
Yes, it is good for body and mind. Talking to friends. Do you meet friends on weekends?
Yes, sometimes we go to a cafe. Sometimes we watch a movie together.
Good. Talking and laughing with friends is fun.
We also play small games at home, like card games or board games.
Games are fun, and we practice English sometimes.
Yes, we talk to each other in English.
Study or practice English. Do you study English on weekends?
Sometimes I read a book, watch English videos, or write sentences.
Good idea. Even 15 minutes a day is helpful.
Yes, small practice makes big progress.
You can write about your weekend. Write one sentence a day.
For example, my weekend plan is to relax. I go for a walk on Saturday.
After activities, I like to rest. Maybe read a book or watch TV.
I like that too. Sometimes I drink tea and listen to music.
Even short rest is good. It helps you feel ready for Monday.
Yes, Sunday evening is usually calm.
Vocabulary tip: extra activities. Let's learn some words about extra weekend activities.
Hobby, something you enjoy doing. Music, songs or sounds you like. Dance, move your body to music. Exercise, physical activity. Game, fun activity with friends.
Repeat with us. Hobby, music, dance, exercise, game.
You can say, my hobby is painting. I listen to music on Sunday. I dance sometimes at home.
Question for the viewer. Now, think about your extra weekend activities.
Do you have a hobby?
Do you exercise or play a game?
Do you exercise or play a game? Write one simple sentence in English.
For example, my weekend hobby is reading. I play football with my friends on Saturday.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Yes, practice is more important than perfection.
Remember, weekends are for you.
Do what makes you happy. Relax, enjoy, and learn.
Even small activities help you feel good.
And you can practice English at the same time.
Talk about your weekend with friends. Even one simple sentence is great.
Listen to English videos. Read simple sentences. Repeat the words we learned today.
That's all for today's conversation about weekend plans.
We hope you learned a lot of new words and phrases.
Remember, to practice, try saying one sentence about your weekend.
And don't forget our question of the day.
Yes, we love reading your answers.
The question is, what is one thing you like to do on weekends?
It can be anything: relaxing, painting, walking, studying, or playing a game.
Try writing one simple sentence in English.
For example, my weekend plan is to relax. I go for a walk on Saturday.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Yes, practice is more important than perfection.
Remember, weekends are for you.
Do what makes you happy. Relax, enjoy, and learn.
Even small activities help you feel good.
And you can practice English at the same time.
Talk about your weekend with friends. Even one simple sentence is great.
Listen to English videos. Read simple sentences. Repeat the words we learned today.
That's all for today's conversation about weekend plans.
We hope you learned a lot of new words and phrases.
Remember to practice. Try saying one sentence about your weekend.
And don't forget our question of the day.
Please write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your sentences. We give hearts and encouragement to all comments.
If you like this video, please click like.
And subscribe to our channel, Easy English Talks Aura.
Hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos.
Our next video will be about talking about weather in English.
It will be fun and easy for beginners.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
You are doing something amazing by learning English.
Yes, be proud of yourself.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Relax, enjoy, and practice English.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.